Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Skate 3 Online Xbox Easy Guide. First, sign into your Xbox Live account and confirm Xbox Live Gold or Game Pass Core access, then install all available updates for Skate 3. Next, check your NAT type and open necessary ports on your router if you experience connectivity issues. Finally, reboot your console and test a private match with a friend to verify online play. To find matches, open Skate 3 online menu and explore public lobbies or community-created parks where players gather. Send or accept Xbox friend invites to join a buddy instantly, or create a private session when you want practice without distractions. Look for themed events like trick contests or park runs to meet players with similar skill levels. Use voice chat sparingly to coordinate attempts and keep sessions friendly and focused on fun. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: I keep a handy Owala water bottle nearby during long sessions so I can land tricks without drying out. It fits cup holders and stays cool, making practice more comfortable. Check the description for the link to that bottle and other deals, then grab a sip, and now let's get back to the video. Focus on small, consistent improvements when playing online. Warm up with manuals and line runs in a private park to build rhythm. Tweak your camera and control sensitivity to match your timing for flip combos and grinds, and practice trick strings until they feel natural. When playing with others, call simple lines or tricks to coordinate runs that score higher. Stay positive, learn from failed attempts, and celebrate clean landings to keep momentum.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.